If you're like us, you're driven by the relentless pursuit of success, even when it means overcoming obstacles at distant sites or on the edges of society. When you're that dedicated, you need a partner as committed to your mission as you are. Cotton Infrastructure Support Services, or Cotton ISS, delivers modular workforce housing customized to meet your goals. We create working communities that efficiently scale to the job at hand, whether you have 50 people or more than 2,000. Our container lodge units, or CLUs, provide climate-controlled places to rest with warm beds. Crews can stay comfortable in furnished rooms built to withstand the heat and cold. Some configurations offer kitchens, living areas, and in-unit bathrooms. Laundry units, on-site wastewater treatment, and other additions like shower, restroom, and laundry trailers ensure workers have access to facilities that keep them clean and close to the job. Fuel your staff every day with high-quality catering, trained culinary staff, dining areas, and nutritious, sustaining food. Spaces like gyms, movie theater rooms, and recreation halls help boost morale, allowing your team to return to their work refreshed. Other comprehensive temporary facilities can be customized to your operations, including mobile offices and dynamic tent structures. Turnkey services like site design, portable power, housekeeping, and camp management let you focus on your objectives while we handle the day-to-day accommodations. With turnkey workforce housing solutions from Cotton ISS, you can secure your success by relying on a team dedicated to your mission. Call Cotton today for a customized community that keeps you moving forward.